Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we are going to look at Uttarakhand State Counselling Cutoff for NEET PG 2022 for all the quotas available in the private colleges. There are two private colleges over there. One is Sri Guru Ram Rai and other is Himalayan Medical College. And there is management quota, okay, where candidate from other state can also participate, and other is government quota in private college, okay, and the third is government colleges cutoff. So we will look at all the details over there. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe, or you should subscribe, because this channel is very useful, one of the most useful resources available over here. And such videos is available for other states also, other open states and major closed states, which you can find in the playlist, which you will get at the end of the video. You have our contact number 9319128677, which is available over WhatsApp and normal call, and you can call us for availing our paid counseling guidance. And if you look at the Uttarakhand management quota cutoff, first of all, Uttarakhand is an open state just for two private colleges, but those private colleges are good, okay, and in budget you can get a very good college over here. And I will also tell you how much score you need to target in order to get the seats in management quota through open quota, or management quota, both are one and the same. So for regular radio diagnosis went up to 20,950 rank last year, and dermatology up to 23,569, general medicine up to 27,933, pediatrics up to 45,000, OBG up to 46,000, orthopedics up to 53,000, TB chest 36,000, surgery 51,000, psychiatry 37,644, ophthalmology around 48,000, ENT around 45,000, emergency medicine up to 23,886, anesthesia around 45,000, and pathology up to 48,682. The score depends on the difficulty level of the paper, but if the difficulty level remains same as the last year, you need a score up to 460 for radio diagnosis, 450 for dermatology, 435 for general medicine, 380 for pediatrics and OBGY both. Orthopedics you need around 355, TB chest 405, general surgery 360, psychiatry 400, ophthalmology 370, ENT 380, emergency medicine 455, anesthesia 380, and pathology 370. Now let's take a look at the government quota cutoff in private colleges of last year. So you have general category, women's quota, OBC and OBC women's quota. We will tell you the cutoff for general category or your category. Radio diagnosis went up to 45,000, which is quite good, but you should not be that optimistic, because not for many seats it went up to that rank. General medicine up to 29,000, pediatrics 39,000, OBGY 34,000, orthopedics 30,000, general surgery 39,000, and you can see the cutoff for other quota. Okay, I'm giving the data whichever is available to me, okay, and at the time of counseling we will give you more detailed video. Uttarakhand government colleges, general medicine was available up to rank of 12,000, pediatrics up to 10,398, OBG 13,670, orthopedics 26,095, psychiatry, general medicine 36,000, ophthalmology 26,000, anesthesia 20,000, and likewise you can see the cutoff for other branches. You can also take screenshot. So if you want our assistance, you can contact us on 9319128677, and In the description of the video, you will have a Telegram group link and Instagram page where you can find all these artifacts. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.